Hi, in this video I will show you how to assemble IKEA Trådfast wall storage. Never use sharp knives to open IKEA boxes. You can scratch your furniture easily with it. Always unpack and assemble your IKEA furniture on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Always follow the original instructions even after watching videos like this. Place the first 4 parts on the floor in the correct order and orientation by paying close attention to the location of pre-drilled holes. Open the back with screws. There are 2 types of screws used in this build: longer inner hex screws and tiny Phillips head screws. For Phillips head screws you need to have your own screwdriver or a bit for electric screwdriver. For hex screws there is an Allen key provided. However, I will be using a hex bit as it makes the assembly faster. Group the screws in different piles by type for easier access. Insert plastic pieces into pre-drilled holes. Pay attention to orientation. Secure them in place by screwing in small Phillips head screws. If you are planning to mount your wall storage to the wall, what I suggest you do, install metal brackets into pre-drilled holes. We'll use them later to mount this unit to the wall. Flip 2 middle boards and install the remaining 2 plastic pieces. Insert wooden pins into 2 middle boards. Position boards so that the sides with visible seam on it are facing upwards. With the seam facing upwards on the longer board, insert smaller boards with pins installed. Install the second longer board so that the seam on its side faces the same direction as all other pieces. Connect everything using longer hex head screws. Provided Allen key will do the job just fine. However, I am switching to a screwdriver to speed up the process. Repeat for another side. Put your storage on the side. Insert wooden pins into sides of the boards and attach remaining side walls. Secure them using the same hex head screws. Repeat for another side. Insert your mesh or plastic Trådfast boxes. And that's how you assemble an IKEA Trådfast wall storage. In the next video I will walk you through the process of mounting it on the wall. Thanks for watching, hope you found it helpful.